hundreds of so-called fairy chimneys and distinctive rock pillars in a canyon carved from volcanic lava. And go deep into the rock formations themselves and you discover a whole new underground network of tunnels and caves. Wow, check this out. It's amazing to think that 4,000 years ago, using the most basic tools, people created this in order to live, work, eat, and hide from the enemy. Astonishing. Oh, and by the way, you still find the odd 21st century cave dweller. Seems pretty chilled out, doesn't he? Dawn the next day and the Rose Valley begins to fill up with early morning rays. And then this daily spectacular gets underway.
It all seems really close to them.
No, don't worry, I've got parking sensors on the bottom of the basket. Oh, there you go, very lucky. We made it. It will actually make us go up faster and faster. Just coming over to the village of Ürgüp. Our ground speed is about 11-12 miles an hour. We were at 6,500, about 3,000 feet above ground, 6,500 feet above sea level.